Tutorial, I'm going to show you how to locate a brush, download it, and add it to Photoshop and use it. There's a number of sites where you can get free pre-made brushes. This one is called Brush Easy and is pretty good, pretty comprehensive. There's tons of pages and categories. I'm going to click on this one here for vintage plants. I'll hit the free download. You should be able to just click out of that, and there it is downloading. We can show that in Finder. You're going to want to unzip it. So in Max, you just double click, and the ABR file is the one you're going to want to use. So we can get out of the browser now, and we can go into Photoshop. In Photoshop, we're going to go to Edit, and then we're going to go to Presets, Preset Manager, and make sure you select brushes. And so I'm going to hit Load, Desktop. There's the brush. Hit Open, and now I have access to them in my brushes panel. And there they are down here, the brushes. Hit Done, and so now if I click on my brush, I should be able to click here and you should see those plants right here. Whoa, that's pretty large. We can resize that by coming up here, bringing that down a ways, and there we can kind of just add our brush. That's it. That's how you add brushes to your to Photoshop.